strap buttons. Now strap buttons, if you're unaware, are the buttons, these little chrome buttons you'll find in your packaging. They have little rubber footing. They should be in their own little plastic bag. Have their own little rubber footing to protect the finish. And they just get screwed into the body like so, and that's obviously what the strap, if you're playing standing up, you would use. So obviously the location of those is going to be important with regard to balance of the guitar. So on a S-style guitar like this, there's one at the base and normally one positioned on the top horn, slanted slightly downwards. So we'll start with the bass one. So what I normally do is just guess about half and put some tape there, something that I can mark instead of having to mark the guitar. Then I just run a steel rule just down the middle of those inlays in the neck, and that should give us a mark. From there we just want to continue that line using our square. And we're just going to measure half of that body. So the body's normally a depth of around 40 mil, depending on what you've used for a finish. And from there I'll mark my pilot hole again, or the location of the pilot hole. I can remove the tape. So again, I'm just going to chamfer that hole with a slightly larger drill bit. Just remember to keep that rubber footing between the button and the finish. Okay, so next we'll do this top horn. So the same thing again. You're just going to have to pretty much eyeball the location, but we can still measure and make sure we're centered.